Hello, my dear aspirants. Welcome to my YouTube channel Cracked Lakshya. In today's session, we are going to practice the most important question from the topic history. So, without any delay, let's get started. So, the very first question from ancient India: who was the founder of Maurya dynasty? So, the answer is option B, that is Chandragupta Maurya. Question number 2: Nalanda University was destroyed by option B, that is Bhakte Khilji. Question number 3: the Rig Veda consists of how many hymns? So the correct answer is 1028, that is option B. Question number 4: who is known as the Napoleon of India? So the answer is option B, that is Samudragupta. Question number 5: the first Buddhist council was held at Rajgir. So option A is the right answer. Question number 6: the Indus Valley people worshipped. So the correct answer is option D, that is both C and B, that is Mother Goddess and Lord Shiva in Pashupati. Question number 7: who was the last ruler of the Nanda dynasty? So the correct answer is option B, that is Dhanananda. Question number 8: who was the founder of Gupta dynasty? So the correct answer is option D, that is Sri Gupta. Question number 9: which king is known for the Meghaduta written by Kalidasa? So the correct answer is option A, that is Chandragupta. Question number 10: the capital of Magad under Bhimbisara was. So the correct answer is option B, that is Rajgir. Question number 11: the founder of Jainism was. So the correct answer is option B, that is Mahavira. Question number 12: the symbol of Buddhism is. So the correct answer is option C, that is V, Dharma Chakra. Question number 13: the Arthashastra was written by. So the correct answer is option B, that is Kautilya. Question number 14: Ashoka was the governor of which province before becoming the king? So the correct answer is option B, that is Ujjain. Question number 15: the Harappan script is pictographic, that is option B. Now let's start with the medieval India. Question number 16: who was the founder of the Delhi Sultanate? So the correct answer is option B, that is Kutubuddin Aibak. Question number 17: the famous Kohinoor diamond was mined from. So the correct answer is option B, that is Andhra Pradesh. Question number 18: the capital of Vijayanagar Empire was Hampi, that is option A. Question number 19: the Buland Darwaza was built by. So the correct answer is option A, that is Akbar. Question number 20: who was the first woman ruler of Delhi? So the correct answer is option B, that is Razia Sultan. Question number 21: the Battle of Talikota, that is 1565, was fought between the Vijayanagar and. So the correct answer is option C, that is Deccan Sultanates. Question number 22: who introduced the Dini Lai? So the answer is option A, that is Babur. Question number 23: the Red Fort of Delhi was built by Shah Jahan. That is option C is the correct answer. Question number 24: the Ain Akbari was written by Abul Fazl. That is option A is the correct answer. Question number 25: who defeated Humayun at the Battle of Kannauj, that is 1540? So the correct answer is Sher Shah Suri, that is option A. Question number 26. The Purana Killa in Delhi was built by Humayun. That is option A is the correct answer. Question number 27. The ruler who abolished the jizya tax was Akbar. So option B is the right answer. Question number 28. The language of administration under Delhi Sultanate was. So the correct answer is option B, that is Persian. Question number 29. Who was called Jinda Pir among the Mughal rulers? So the correct answer is option C, that is Aurangzeb. Question number 30. The founder of Bahmani kingdom was. So the correct answer is option A, that is Alauddin Hassan Bahman Shah. Now let's start with the modern India. Question number 31. Who was the founder of the Indian National Congress? So the correct answer is option B, that is A.O. Hum. Question number 32. Who is known as the father of the Indian Renaissance? So the correct answer is option B, that is Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Question number 33. The revolt of 1857 started from. So the correct answer is option B, that is Meerut. Question number 34. Who was the leader of revolt of 1857 in Jhansi? So the correct answer is option B, Rani Lakshmi Bai. Now next question, question number 35. The Vernacular Press Act was passed by. So the correct answer is option B, that is Lord Lytton. Question number 36. Who gave the slogan Swaraj is my birthright? So the correct answer is option A, that is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Question number 37. The Simon Commission came to India in. So the correct answer is option B, that is 1927. Question number 38. Who was the first Governor General of independent India? So the correct answer is option A, that is Lord Mountbatten. Question number 39. The Quit India movement was launched in. So the correct answer is option C, that is 1942. Question number 40. The cabinet mission came to India in. So the correct answer is option B, that is 1946. Question number 41. Who founded the Arya Samaj? So the answer is option A, that is Dhyanananda Saraswati. Question number 42. The moderates and the extremists split in Congress took place in. So the correct answer is option B, that is 1907. Question number 43. The capital of India was shifted from Calcutta to Delhi in which year? So the correct answer is option A, that is in 1911. Question number 44. Who wrote Anand Math? So the answer is option B, that is Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Question number 45. Who was the first Indian woman president of Indian National Congress? So the answer is option B, that is Sarojini Naidu. Question number 46. The first newspaper in India was. So the answer is option C, that is Bengal Gazette. Question number 47. Who was the leader of Azad Hind Fauj? So the correct answer is option B, that is Subhash Chandra Bose. Question number 48. Gandhi-Irwin Pact was signed in 1931. That is option B. Question number 49. Who was the first Indian to become member of British Parliament? So the correct answer is option A, Databhai Nauroji. Question number 50. The Indian Independence Act was passed in 1947. I hope you like my content on the history parts. So we'll meet in the next video with the next topic. Bye bye. Jai Hind. All the best for your exams.